Right, this is the Zeepin Dash cam, and you can see here this is what it attaches to your windscreen itself. Here's the actually it's got a built-in battery, as you can see there. It's got no wires plugged into it right now, so you can use it for a very short length of time without it being plugged in. The bottom here you've got some speaker holes, and you've also got the lens up front, which can be adjusted with this screw on the side here, so that you get the right angle of tilt. So if you've got a more a sharper angle on your windscreen, you can adjust that. Here on the side is a micro USB port and the micro SD card slot. You don't get the micro SD card with it, but you can buy packages that include it if you wish. There's also a mini USB charging point on the top. You can charge it from here or from here. The menu system here is controlled by these buttons here on the top. We've got a menu, you've got a right and a left, and this turns the screen on or off if you don't want the screen on all the time. And so that if you press menu, that gets into the menu system up at the top here, where it should do when it's not recording. I'm going to stop the recording for you. Press menu, and you can get into the resolution settings here. Apologies if it's a bit blurry, it's always tricky recording a screen which is recording. Resolution loop recording, the HDR settings, and you can go into various other settings on the top here and adjust the date, the time, the on-screen text, and how long the loop is. So it's a great little camera. If it focused, it'd be even better. It's getting all confused by the screen. It's well built, sort of a rubbery plastic finish to it. It's a hard-wearing piece of kit. I haven't had it crash or anything like that, and it's got a number of settings. The only problem is that if you do want to store some footage, you have to find this little menu button, which is not very easy to locate when you're driving. Say somebody's cut you up or done a bit of dangerous driving, or you've seen something you want to store, you've got to somehow locate this, and it's a little bit tricky to locate that. But overall, as a dash cam that you just leave recording your daily footage, it's very good for the price, and you can get a full review on coolsmartphone.com.